Air France's Airbus A350 business class offers a refined and comfortable experience, combining elegant design with thoughtful amenities. Here's an overview of what you can expect. Cabin and seating. The A350 business class cabin features 48 seats in a 1:2:1 reverse herringbone configuration, ensuring direct aisle access for every passenger. Each seat transforms into a fully flat bed and includes a sliding door for enhanced privacy. Notably, the bulkhead seats offer additional footwell space, providing extra comfort during rest. Comfort and amenities. Passengers are provided with plush bedding, including a substantial pillow and blanket. The amenity kit features Clarins skincare products, an eye mask, earplugs, and other essentials. The cabin's design incorporates Air France's signature blue tones and the winged seahorse logo, creating a serene atmosphere. Dining experience. Air France offers a multi-course dining experience curated by renowned chefs. Meals are complemented by a selection of fine wines and champagnes. The airline also provides the option to pre-select meals before the flight, ensuring availability of preferred choices. In-flight entertainment and connectivity. The in-flight entertainment system boasts a high-definition screen with a vast selection of movies, TV shows, and music. Features like a tail camera and Bluetooth audio connectivity enhance the experience. Wi-Fi is available with various pricing options, though some passengers have noted inconsistent performance. Travel Companion Fly-Fi app. For travelers seeking to enhance their journey, the Fly-Fi app offers a suite of features. Real-time flight status. Stay updated with live flight information. Airfare alerts. Receive notifications on price drops and exclusive offers. Airport peak hours. Plan your arrival and departure to avoid busy times. Visa guide. Access information on visa requirements for various destinations. EV stations. Locate nearby electric vehicle charging stations. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Air France's A350 business class stands out for its combination of comfort, privacy, and service. While there are areas for improvement, such as Wi-Fi consistency, the overall experience is commendable. Pairing this with tools like the Fly-Fi app can further streamline and enhance your travel.